Hi, it's AI Jennifer here. Welcome back to Ask the Instructor, presented by Campus Mortgage. Today's question is, the borrower applies for a USDA loan to buy a home needing minor roof and gutter repairs, which the seller will complete after closing through a repair escrow. How does the underwriter handle this? Here's what our mortgage instructor has to say. The underwriter confirms the repairs are non-structural, cost less than 10% of the property's final value, and can be completed within 180 days of closing, as USDA requires. Furthermore, repair funds must be fully escrowed and documented before loan closing. In some cases, an appraiser's completion report, or Form 1004D, is required before escrow release. Ultimately, the underwriter ensures the property will meet USDA's decent, safe, and sanitary standards once repairs are finalized, and that all escrow terms are clearly documented. This concludes our 1-minute video. If you like this video, please help us by clicking the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. And remember, at Campus Mortgage, we offer a variety of comprehensive mortgage training and certification programs. To learn how we can help jumpstart your mortgage career, simply download our course catalog at campusmortgage.org. Thank you, and make it a great day.